Okay, so here is my GeoFilter that I made for Snapchat. It's pretty simple. I used the template so you can see the buffers are here. I'm going to turn those off before I export out my PNG because I don't want those included in my file. I'm going to be showing you how to submit this to Snapchat. So if we go here, I did bring this in just to kind of help me to design the piece, because actually without something in there it's kind of hard to design on a blank canvas like this, and it helped me to have actually a picture in there. But this is going to add to the file size, so I'm actually going to delete it out of the file, and I have it named appropriately, as you can see, Devlin Trail GeoFilter. So it's a GeoFilter for the Devlin Trail. So if I do a file, save as, we're going to save out a PNG. I'm going to make sure I have that in the right folder. I have it in my Documents folder, Snapchat GeoFilter, Devlin Trail GeoFilter is the file name. I'm going to save out a Photoshop doc. I already saved out a Photoshop document, but I'm going to make that PNG now, because this is the file we need for submitting it to Snapchat. They want a PNG file type, so we'll make that. Make sure this is on PNG. Push save. I already did this earlier, so, and then just push OK. And then we'll go into Finder and we'll look at this file to make sure that it's not too big. It needs to be under 300 KB, so kilobyte. This one's at 204, so we're good there. So that's one of the requirements. Oh, actually, I need to go to Chrome here. You don't have to be in Chrome. I'm just going to use Chrome. So if we go to Snapchat.com, filters and lenses, get started, and then community filters, and then we are doing the GeoFilter. So we are going to upload our filter here. I just need to go back to where I was here. Get that PNG file that's under 300 KB. This is 204, which is good. Okay, that looks good. That's, the buffers are not blocking any of my text or important graphics. And then we can continue. And then I'm going to allow this our MT USA. So if we zoom in here, and actually I'm just going to add in where I'm at, where I really like a location that's close to where I want to actually make my geofence. So Montana State University is pretty close, and then I'll continue to zoom in. So it's actually, you can see it here, it's the Devlin Trail walking fence, or walking trail right here. So I just entered in Montana State University because I knew it was right across the way, and I think that this actually might be the cemetery right here, because I know where this street ends is kind of the end of where the trail's at. And with a GeoFilter too, you don't want to have too much stuff inside of your you don't want your filter fence to be too big. So you can just start clicking. This will help you to draw your GeoFilter fence, which is actually the physical location that you want your GeoFilter to work in. This is probably good enough. So there we go. And then we can push continue once we have our geofence drawn on there. And then I need to give my email address. My name, Mary Ward, description. So the description should be something that will convince the Snapchat team that your filter is usable and useful. So I mean, basically, I think we're just trying to prove why this is, important. So the Devlin Trail is a great addition to our community. located across from our community college. It is a very appreciated respite. Many people enjoy this trail and will enjoy using this filter as well. So, and then I will just submit this. I just want to make sure this is looking good. To our community, located across from our community college, is a very appreciated respite. Many people enjoy this trail. I will enjoy it as well. Okay, submit. Let's make sure I got everything right. No thanks, just submit. So they will send you an email. You can log in as well, but they'll send you an email. And you can actually go into like My GeoFilters and see how your GeoFilters are doing, if they've been accepted or not. If we're going to be doing multiple designs for these GeoFilters, which I think we will be, that's going to be interesting to take a look and make sure that, just take a look and see how your designs are doing and if they actually are being submitted and accepted so that they can be used. Anyway, that's how you would submit your filter.